It's a digital representation of a physical process. I think that's the easiest way I can explain it. In Tønder, they had some problems with web tearing, which is induced by local melting or different flows within their products and can lead to quality variation. And this created a lot of scrap and potentially also customer claims, which is very bad for business. A lot of the common operational challenges comes from the fact that we cannot always measure all of the conditions that are happening inside a process environment. So the digital twin is a live virtual representation of a physical process during the production. Every second it makes a 30-second forecast, which then is able to predict how will the peak temperature that is difficult to measure live because it's inside our process. And when we calculate it, we are able to control our press speed and also using liquid nitrogen to cool down the process to keep the temperature within the safe process window. By combining this digital twin, we were able to largely eliminate this temperature-induced defect by controlling the temperature of our process. And also we are able to increase the productivity in time, which is an added benefit of this technology.